So a question that I get asked is, how long do dental implants last? Firstly, I'll just tell you what is a dental implant. Well, if you've got a missing tooth or several gaps where teeth should have been, so we can use dental implant treatment to occupy those spaces and cover up the gaps so it looks like you just have normal teeth present. So the actual dental implant, it's a titanium screw that gets embedded beneath the gum line, and then we fit a crown on top of that and get it color matched to your adjacent teeth and have it looking like your natural teeth. Dental implants are one of the longest lasting treatments that you can actually get in dentistry. Dental implants typically last between 15 to 20 years with a 95% success rate. In order to make sure that your dental implants last you for as long as possible, you need regular checkups with your dentist to ensure the health of the dental implants. So if we do find any problems that are going on, we can pick them up and treat them early.